got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. There's many ways to show multiplication. The first thing that we have to understand is what shows us multiplication. What do we identify with that tells us when we look at a problem that it's a multiply? Riley, can you tell me one thing?
Quotient?
A what?
The quotient in the word problem?
Quotient means divide.
Oh.
Hannah?
The different one.
I just want to know what kind of symbols you see to tell you that it's multiply. Erica?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. You could have 3 parentheses 5. That means multiply, right? Anybody else know another one? Aaliyah?
The dot.
The times dot. You can have 3 times 5. What about in algebra? What's it look like? Erica?
Smushed.
Smushed or mashed together. So you'd have 3 mashed together with an X, and that means multiply. So when you see these 3 different ways inside of the original problem, when you write it down from the binder, that means multiply, and you're going to use these steps, okay? So we're going to start with the 3x equals 18. That's an easy one. Start out by writing the problem. Step 2, find the variable. Where's the variable at, Calvin?
Right next to the 3.
Right next to the 3. Okay, cover it up. What do I get rid of? What's by my hand?
Equal sign?
The 3, right? I can't cross the fence, so I got to get rid of the 3. Ask yourself, what do I get rid of? Okay? Step 3 is do the opposite. Well, what is the opposite of a smush or of a multiply?
Division.
Division.
Bless you.
Or divide by the coefficient.
You put bye-bye.
Oh, there we go.
Typo.
It's early, right? Okay, so I'm going to draw a fraction line. Fractions are nothing but division problems, right? The coefficient is the thing that works with the variable. Like cooperate, you work with somebody. It's a coefficient. It works with the variable. So I'm going to divide by the variable. Because I know 3 divided by 3 is 1, right? And I also know that when I just had a variable, I could put a 1 in front of it, and it didn't change the value because of identity property, right? Okay, so that is our goal, getting it down to the identity, getting it down to the variable being alone, right? So here we go, that's gone. Now I have to do it to both sides so it's equal, right? Because it's still an equation. So we have x equals, what's 18 divided by 3?
6.
6. Not too horrible. And we dealt with fractions. Not too horrible.
So it's just whatever with the x you divide by that.
Do we need to learn lines?
Nope, there is no add subtract line today because we're not adding and subtracting. It's 2 separate fraction lines. Okay? So step 4 will be do the math. You want one more example
Yeah.
Yes.
about this one?
Yeah, I have that.
Yep, what is your problem?
Oh, it's not a problem. I was just gonna say, so it's basically just like yesterday, except with multiplying and dividing.
Yes.
That sounds easy.
Okay, so you'll have to check your chart. If it's a positive divided by a negative still, right?
Yeah.
You'll still have to check the chart. Okay, so we'll do one more and see if you can get it, Kiara. I still can't say your name right. Okay. Okay, 4x equals 56. Where's the variable? Walker?
The X,
The x. Cover it up. What's by the x?
the 4,
The 4. What do I get rid of?
the 4.
The 4. So I draw 2 fraction lines and divide by 4 so I can get rid of it. This time it's the exact coefficient. We're not doing the opposite sign like with add and subtract. It was actually the opposite operation. Though sometimes it seems like a sign with add and subtract. We're dividing by the exact coefficient. Okay?
So there's no negative.
Nope. No sign switch. How many times will 4 go into
14
5?
times.
4 will go into 5 14
Once.
times. Once. You subtract, you have a remainder of 1. How many times will 4 go into 16?
4.
4. Does that make it any clearer? Okay. So we're done with this video at this time.